Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here, and right now I currently have two different foundations on my face. All these foundations are from the Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty company. They're both formulated to fit all skin types, but one side is more so for drier skin and the other side is more so for oily skin. So in other words, one side has a dewy finish and one side has a matte finish. So we're going to divide this into the candle side and the Hello Kitty side. So let me know which one you think is which. It's either the Conceal and Hydrate or the Conceal and Define. Again, let me switch it up. One side is either the Conceal and Define or the Conceal and Hydrate. The Conceal and Hydrate, guys, is for dewier skin. It has like a more hydrating coverage. So it's a radiant foundation with high hyaluronic acid. So it's kind of a medium full coverage. And then the Conceal and Define side is a full coverage foundation. That is the difference, but let me know what you think down below. And we're just gonna go ahead and get the video started. I'm gonna compare the foundation side by side as the video plays, and I'm not gonna let you guys know which one is which until the end. So I really wanna hear down in the comments your first impression and which one you think is which, and also let me know if you think the shades are the same. But go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited, and hit that subscribe button to join along me in my journey. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, moment of truth. So if you thought this side was the Conceal and Hydrate, aka the dewier side, you were right. So this side is the Conceal and Hydrate, and this side is the Conceal and Define. If you're like, Shannon, I can't see a difference. At first, I couldn't either, but I did realize I feel like the Conceal and Hydrate side makes my face look a little slimmer. I don't know if it's because I didn't put as much concealer down here, but I definitely feel like it makes my face look a little slimmer. And yesterday when I was just wearing the Conceal and Hydrate, my mom was like, your skin looks really healthy. Like, I thought it looked really oily, but she's like, no, it looks really healthy. So I don't think you have to necessarily divide these into like dewy versus matte, or you know, oily versus dry skin. I think if you know how to use the right products before, you can use either one. It's just for this one, I would have to set and use like a really good primer, and this one not so much because I know the oiliness is going to come through. I think overall though, the shades were like pretty spot on as far as like the same. I know when I swatched them on my chest in the last video, they were a little different, but once you blend them out on my face, I don't think anyone could tell I'm wearing two different foundations. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and if you guys are going to be purchasing either one of these. This is going to be a really good one going into the winter for those of us that get drier skin. And this is just like my all-around going out foundation. I think both of these have such a beautiful finish. Like, it just makes your skin look really professional, and just like it just gives it like a nice glowy good finish. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and of course if you'll be purchasing this foundation. But I hope you hit that subscribe button and go ahead and check out another video from me. I will leave it right here, but I'll see you guys in the next video.